Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another day of eyeshadow palette. In today's video, I will be playing with the Brown Sugar palette, which is the Karrueche X Colourpop, I think round 4. Here is the palette right here. It is such a gorgeous neutral palette with just a little bit of tweaks from your normal neutral palette, so I really appreciate that. This is a super cheap palette. I think it retails for $12, so basically a steal, and if you put in a coupon code on Colourpop, then it'll be cheaper than that. So without further ado, let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is take the shade Amber, which is this orange shade right here, and I'm going to put that all over my transition area. I started before the camera was on like a fool, but at least I didn't get that far. Next, with this same brush, which is the MAC 217, I'm going into the shade Jamocha, which is this soft brown shade right here. It reminds me of hot chocolate. I'm mixing those two together. I'm switching over to my e.l.f. crease brush, where I'm going to take the shade Sorrel, which is this deeper brown shade, and I'm going to put that in my crease and on that V area of my eye. Next, with this same brush, I'm dipping into the shade Henna, which is this cool tone brownish gray. It's such a pretty color. I'm just going to focus that more so in the crease, in the outer V, just like I did with Sorrel. I'm going to go back in with my MAC 217 brush without putting any more product on the brush, and I'm just going to blend where the dark and the light meet. And with my Morphée M124 brush, I'm dipping into the shade Saute. It's just a brown green shimmer shade. I'm going to place that all over the lid. Now if you want to, you can take some of Ginger, this shade right here. It's like a golden shimmer shade, and you can put it on the inner corner of your eyes, but I'm just not feeling inner corner highlight today. So the last step in this is going to be taking my e.l.f. crease brush and mixing Henna and Sorrel and putting that on my lower lash line. Okay, so the last thing I'm going to do is put on this e.l.f. eyeliner. It's black, and take this Milk Kush mascara and put it on both my top and lower lashes, and then I will be right back. Okay guys, I'm back, and this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for tuning into another 31 Days of Eyeshadow Palettes here with me on my channel. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Comment down below how you feel about this look, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel on your way out, as well as hit that notification bell so that you can be notified each and every time that I post a video here on my channel, which will be every day in the month of December. And with that, you guys, I will see you next video.